Have you ever cooked steak at home, sliced into it, and realized it's chewy, dry, or just plain disappointing? I've been there too, and it's frustrating. But here's the good news. Cooking beef that's tender, juicy, and flavorful isn't about luck. It's about a few simple techniques that chefs swear by. And today, I'm going to share them with you. First things first, pick the right cut. Tender cuts like ribeye or fillet are best for quick, high-heat cooking. But tougher cuts, like chuck or brisket, need low and slow cooking to really shine. Remember this rule. Tender cuts equals fast cooking. Tough cuts equals slow cooking. Next up, marinades. They don't just add flavor, they actually tenderize. Acids like lemon or vinegar help break down tough fibers. Oils keep the beef moist, and spices add depth. If you can, let it marinate overnight for the best results. Salt is the simplest way to make beef more tender and juicy. Season your beef at least 40 minutes before cooking, or right before. Just don't do it in between, or you'll draw out juices without giving them time to reabsorb. For tough cuts, low and slow is the way to go. Braising, roasting, or smoking until the collagen melts into silky gelatin. But for steaks, high heat is your friend. A quick sear gives you that beautiful crust, while keeping the inside juicy. For the best of both worlds, try the reverse sear. One of the biggest mistakes is cutting too soon. Let your beef rest. 5 minutes for steaks, up to 20 minutes for roasts. This keeps the juices inside, where they belong. And when you slice, always go against the grain. That shortens the fibers, making every bite tender. So there you have it. The secrets to cooking beef that truly melts in your mouth. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more chef-approved tips, and save this video for your next steak night. For more detailed guides and recipes, check out thehomecookbible.com.